Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into something a little nostalgic but with a fresh twist: the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni van. If you've been around for a while, you probably remember the iconic Omni that has been a staple of Indian roads for decades. Well, this new version brings some exciting upgrades that promise to keep its legacy alive while meeting modern demands. For many, the Maruti Suzuki Omni has been a family favorite, a go-to vehicle for everything from running errands to road trips. Over the years, it has evolved, but the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. First off, it's important to acknowledge that the Omni has always been known for its versatility, and Maruti Suzuki has stayed true to that spirit. Whether you're looking for a compact family van, a vehicle for small businesses, or something to haul goods, the Omni has been a reliable choice for millions. The 2025 model brings a lot of tech and design updates that make it more relevant than ever. For starters, it comes with a modernized exterior that still retains the familiar boxy shape we've come to love. The updated design gives it a more contemporary look, with sharper lines and a sleeker front grille. Maruti has also added LED headlights and refreshed bumpers, which makes it look more in line with today's market while still keeping that classic Omni charm. Inside, the Omni continues to offer practical, no-nonsense comfort. While it isn't a luxury vehicle, the 2025 version introduces better cabin materials and more attention to detail, making the ride more pleasant for everyone on board. It's still a utilitarian vehicle at heart, but there's now a touch of sophistication in the cabin. The seating arrangement has been tweaked to offer more legroom and headspace, ensuring that long trips are less of a strain. And for those who need it, there's still plenty of cargo space to make sure you can carry everything you need. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Omni sticks to what it does best: practicality and efficiency. Powered by a 1.2-liter engine, the new model promises an improved driving experience with better fuel efficiency, something that is always top of mind for any Indian consumer. Whether you're navigating through the city's bustling streets or taking the van out on a longer highway drive, the Omni's engine provides a smooth ride that is easy to manage in any condition. And with the addition of updated suspension systems, the ride quality is noticeably improved, offering a more comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. One of the standout features of the 2025 Omni is its safety upgrades. Maruti Suzuki has taken the vehicle's safety features to the next level, offering a more robust structure and adding new technologies. It now comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors, among other enhancements. These additions show that Maruti is committed to ensuring that the Omni is not just pract.